Hey guys, welcome to the first ever apartment tour on my channel. Come into this apartment, the first thing that you see is this long ass corridor. The corridor is so long, well, not really long, but it's very spacious, like super spacious and really long. And when you look at the left side, they have like wardrobes, and they put so many wardrobes here like this. Everything you see here are like compartments, so you could decide to put like anything you want here. For example, here now we have the ironing board and the vacuum cleaner and mop and every other thing. So it's really cool, guys. And this is just the entrance of the apartment, and everything is painted white. I love the fact that the walls white, the wardrobes white, and some other really nice stuff like the throw pillows and some paintings are white. So it's just really cool. This place is so beautiful. This is like the first painting you see when you come into this apartment, guys, and this is the second painting you also get to see when you come into this apartment, guys. I'm even scared of touching the wall, because I feel that I may actually stain the wall because of how white everything is. And the first place that you see, or the first space, yeah, let me use that word, the first space you see is the visitor's toilet. The visitor's toilet is so nice, like anybody would want to eat in this place, like. So this is what the toilet looks like in this apartment. Basically all the toilets are like this in this particular apartment, but this one is small because it's the visitor's toilet. We get to see other toilets as we go on, and it has like this cupboard here, this compartment here where you can put like toilet supplies and all of that. As you can see, it's also painted white, so it's really cool. And this really nice sink. I feel like this space is just really beautiful. I love the lighting of this particular space. The lighting in this toilet, the lighting of this toilet and the bathroom is just really good. Like, we move over to the kitchen. Now this apartment has an open kitchen. This is called an open kitchen. In case you guys don't know this, I actually studied building in the university. This is called like an open kitchen, and everything in the kitchen is also painted white apart from the slab, which is brown. And trust me, it is so nice. It has like different cupboards or compartments where you keep stuff. You can keep your cups here, and you can keep your plates here, and you can keep anything you want. And it also has a coffee maker and electric jug and the toaster. Yeah, this is a toaster, and it also has the electric cooker, and it has this really cool microwave, and it also has like an oven. Oh yeah, I didn't show you, there's a dishwasher and there's a washing machine. Now when I saw this dishwasher, I was almost in tears because I don't like to wash plates, and this is like the best opportunity for me in this life not to wash plates again. So and the washing machine is also here. I love the fact that this kitchen is spacious, guys. Like there's space. And this is where the fridge is. This is where the fridge is. Oh god. Whew. And this is the freezer, guys. And there's also a dustbin here. Guys, the paintings in this apartment, is just like beautiful. Like, I was wowed, and their props and everything that they just used to decorate the apartment is really nice. Once you come in, or once you've seen every other thing, you're moving to the dining area. And I love the fact that the dining area is big. Like it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, probably 8 people can eat on this dining table. So leaving the dining area, we come over to the living area, and this space is beautiful. I love the way everything was designed, like every single thing. I love the way the sofas came. I love the throw pillows and all of that, and also has this painting. I'm not really a fan of paintings, but yeah, it could be nice to you. So, and over here they put like this artificial plants, which is super nice, and they also put this really nice chair over here. Okay guys, so that's like the living room, the dining area, and the kitchen is like in one space, but very cool. So we are moving over to like the favorite part of this apartment, the rooms. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. I didn't mention this in the beginning. This is a 2-bedroom apartment, so it's just really perfect. So we're going to start with the secondary room, not the main room. Like I said guys, white, everything is white. You need to touch this. It's so pretty. So this is the first room, and this is what it looks like. Like this room is beautiful. Everything about the room is just beautiful. Once you walk in, the bed is here, and this room also has a TV guys. Like I think this is the first apartment I have stayed in Dubai that actually has a TV in their room. I don't see much of this. So this is the TV, and it also has like obviously wardrobes and all that, which is really cool, very nice. And it's also white, emphasis on white. Yeah, I keep saying white because white has this cool minimal vibe that I just really love. And this is another one. I'm not going to open this because it's not tidy. This apartment has amazing views, like amazing views. This is not even the master's, this is like the second room, but whoever that stays in this room also gets his or her own personal views guys. The view from here is beautiful. The sun keeps coming in from this side, and if you know me, you know that I'm a sucker for the sun because of my pictures. So I love the fact that the sun keeps coming in from this side, so it just makes everything so perfect. And when you come to this side, this is the bathroom and the toilet. Ooh, like I said before, I could sleep here, I could eat here. And this is the bathroom, the shower guys. It's pretty small. Anyway, this is not the master, so yeah, it's expected to be small, but it is still nice, it is still cool. Like it's really nice. This is the sink. Obviously we know what a sink is, and it has its own compartments where you can put everything. So whoever that stays in this room is actually very lucky, and has his own dustbin and all of that. So living this particular room now, this room is really nice. It's very small but very comfy. Oh, I didn't show you guys the dresser. It has a dresser guys, and this dresser is really cute. I wish the main room had a dresser, but apparently they didn't put a dresser in the main room, but that's fine. And the main room is actually my room guys. Yeah, so it has a really cute dresser. This dresser is like the cutest guys. You could just sit down here and put all your makeup things here, and there's a really large huge mirror here guys. Like the mirror is really cool, and you could just, you know, sit down here and do your makeup in the morning and all that here. So that is it for this particular room. And now moving over to my favorite, I think I've said that many times today, but I don't care. But this is my favorite part of this apartment. This is the master's room, and this is also my room. Yeah, because I am a master. So ooh, it's cold here. Welcome to the master's bedroom. And trust me guys, I don't want to leave this place ever again because this is so beautiful guys. Apart from the views, it has the best lighting ever. Like I could take pictures here all day and be satisfied with my pictures, and it has the perfect view. Like the view is so beautiful. Like you could see the whole of Dubai. Well, I'm exaggerating right now, but you know what I'm trying to say. You could see the whole of Dubai from here. It came with this beautiful mirror that can be adjusted. I don't know if you guys can see this. Like you can adjust this, and it fits. The mirrors is also the frame of the mirrors is also white, so it just fits with every single thing in this particular apartment. And it has like really nice space here. I like the space that they put here from here to here, so that when you come out, when I wake up in the morning, I can just put my legs here and I'm fine with that. It's really cool. And it also has blinds, guys, so just don't think that it comes like this. So if I don't want this, or the sun is just too much for me, I could just take it all down like this, so the world won't see, although people can't see me. That was my fear actually. I legit thought that people could see me from outside, but people can't see me. So you could always roll it down and also roll it back up. And it's not just for this section alone, it also has for this section and for all of these sections right here. So it's just really nice. And I have like 2 headlamps here and there, so I don't know if it makes sense putting on the lights now because of the sun. But yeah, the light comes on like this and it goes off like this. So yeah, this space is really nice. So moving from here, we move over to this area, guys. This is also another wardrobe and all that, and it also has a mirror here, guys. The mirror here is so nice. Like, this is going to be my favorite mirror in this apartment, apart from the other standing one and all. And another area here. So guys, let me show you the toilet and the bathroom. And the bathroom is just beautiful. Like, it's literally one of the best parts. I've said that many times, but I don't care. So this is my toilet and this is my bathroom. I love the fact that it comes with like 3 mirrors, guys. Like, it is so nice because I'm also a mirror freak and all. And the sink is just really cute. Same sink with every other toilet that's in this apartment, and it has its own compartments too, guys, just like every other ones that we've seen, visitors toilet and the other rooms toilet. The bathroom is long, it's wide. I love this place. I feel like this is where I would do most of my thinking, guys, this place alone, because this is just, I mean, I could sit out here and I could even take pictures here. I would probably always sleep here every time it's time for me to have my bath. And don't worry, I've actually confirmed nobody can see from outside. I actually thought people could see, but nobody can see. But I can see them, of course. So imagine having your bath with like an awesome view. So you could just stay here and think, meditate, and just look at the whole world, and people will know what is happening inside here. I love the fact that it's super spacious, guys. Like, it's really spacious from here all the way to this point like this. So yeah, it's so spacious, guys. So that's it. That's the bathroom, and this is my toilet. So we have finally come to the end of this video, and I am ending this video in my room with this awesome lighting, guys, and awesome view. So if you actually enjoyed this video, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this 2-bedroom apartment in JLT Dubai. Also subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for staying to the end, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.